So, Google has confirmed it. The ugly camera module is a fact. Yup. Google posted a video on Twitter yesterday, actually last night, and this was what the video was. Hello, how can I help you? Gemini. Write me a breakdown letter. So it's pretty much just showing AI, right? Which isn't really that big of a deal. Cool, shows AI. I'll just let the whole thing play. But at the end of this video, you're going to see it does show off the actual device. And yeah, first off, this is what the actual device looks like on the outside display, which very interesting with the bezels. You see the hinge right there. But for the most part, doesn't look too bad. Based on what we have seen from previous leaks, this actually looks a little bit better than what the leaks show. But once it opens up, we have this bad boy right here. Closes, and there is the beautiful Google Pixel Fold, which is called the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, by the way. But this is the Fold 2. It has the 4 camera modules. It does have the flash, the microphone jack here, and that camera is ugly. Camera's ugly. I still like the original Fold better, but I will say for the most part, it doesn't look bad. It looks okay. I still like the original design of the Pixel Fold a little bit better. I don't think they needed to change it much. But it doesn't look like it was changed that much. Again, just looking at these images, it looks very similar to the original Fold. It doesn't look like it's that much of an upgrade. Actual device-wise, cosmetic-wise. That's what I'm trying to say. Under the hood, based on what we understand, this is a huge upgrade. This is probably the biggest upgrade we'll see from a foldable phone this year. But from just like the look of it, very similar to the Pixel Fold 1. But again, that's kind of, like I said before, perfect. You don't need to fix something that isn't broken. And there's nothing broken about the Pixel Fold 1. I'm excited for this to come out. I'm really excited for this to come out and actually get this phone. So it says I can sign up at Google's website here. And okay, so here's another picture of it. This is a Pixel 9 Pro right here. So, okay, see now seeing other pictures of it, I don't like it as much. It's okay, so it's a long narrow display, which is what we expected it to be based on the leaks. Okay, yeah, it's the bezels are crazy. Definitely a lot of bezels on all sides of this. Going for more of a round type look to it, which, okay, that's okay. I mean, again, it is what it is, you know. I have said millions of times on this channel my opinions of the Pixel Fold 2 and based on the leaks, and I don't think it looks that good personally based on the leaks. The FUT display I'm talking about. Everything else about the phone I'm fine with. I don't really love the camera module. I'll get over it. But the FUT display, I think they had it perfect with the Pixel Fold 1. And they didn't need to change that at all. Where is the Pixel Fold 1? Right here. I think this was perfect. How this looks is perfect. Which again, I know it has actually very similar bezels around the whole entire phone. But the outside display being this thick, I think, or this, width-wise is perfect. Making it thinner like this, I just feel like is a mistake. But I understand why they're going in that direction, because that's what Samsung's doing. So they're kind of wanting to kind of get in that direction of making it not too width-wise. So you kind of have more of a candy bar-esque cell phone. So more people who just like candy bar cell phones will come over and start, investing into the foldable phones. But again, like I said, just not my cup of tea when it comes to that. Outside of that, the phone looks fine. It looks beautiful. Looks gorgeous. I just, probably would have done it differently. But it's my cup of tea, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.